DHA, probiotics, what do we need to know about all these things?
Let's start one step at a time with the proteins. And this is the opportunity I want to take to bust a myth. Mothers are now obsessed with proteins and they believe more protein is better. A child's body in an early phase of life is in a critical programming phase, metabolic and structural. If that internal system is set to a higher baseline, it raises the risk of child's obesity in the future. So in this case, more the merrier does not apply. In fact, here, the quality of the protein is important than the quantity. And when we talk about quality, whey protein stands out. The essential amino acids, the ease for toddlers to digest it. And once it's absorbed, the support it gives for muscle growth they need when they're running and climbing every day.
I see. So it's not just how much protein, it's actually which protein that matters.
Exactly. And before that whey protein goes anywhere near the blend, it goes through 20 plus quality checks. Mineral profile, protein levels, microbial safety, heavy metals, safe, clean, and exactly what it should be.
Tell me about DHA.
Essential for the brain, especially in the early years of neural development, brain development. From connections in the brain, it plays a huge role. And about the probiotics, my favorite, these are the most delicate actually of them all. They have to be added into a fully enclosed sealed system so they're never exposed to open air. It's an automated system that measures the exact quantity needed every single time. So whether you open the first pack of the line or the last, every scoop is exactly the same amount of probiotics.
Incredible. I think that's exactly why I rely on NANGROW for it, because I think when it's for your child, what gives you a great sense of peace is knowing that it's consistent every single time.